Hi, it's Daniel from Inventors Masterclass. I work with inventors on generating income for innovation, for those who have innovation, inventors mostly. In weekly coaching classes, I was asked a question. The question was, what do investors look for in innovation projects? And if you're like me, for many years, more than 20 years, I always thought it was return on investment. In fact, that's number 6 in the rankings of what is most important to people. So I want to go through them, give you the 5 more important reasons why investors jump into early stage commercialization, where there's no cash flow to judge, there's no historical record of profitability. They're taking a risk with you. What do they need to know? Well, here they are. The number 5 reason is novelty. So they want to know that you're unique. You can't be the same as everyone else. What's the point of investing in that? That could be a me too anywhere. The next is risk. They need to know that you understand what the risks are for that industry and market, because chances are the best person to invest in your project actually comes from the industry or the market. They want to know that you understand what the risks are and that you manage those, or you've got strategies in place to mitigate them if they do occur. The next is exit. They want to know that they can get out and you can get out. So nobody's going to jump into a project unless they can jump out again. So you need to have that plan so the day they come in, they know that in 2.5 years or 3 years or 6 months, they're going to be able to exit as the next scaling starts. So that's the next round of funding comes in. They can choose to exit or they can be part of it. It's up to them. That's the number 3 reason. The number 2 reason is commercial modeling. I've explained what commercial modeling is in other sections, but I'll just very quickly cover it. It's not your business plan. It's not a business case. It's really about, there's a lot of elements to it, but essentially it's you understand what the demand is and you can show them how the people with a problem will get solved by your product better than anything else in the market, and that there's enough money in it that after you've done your pricing and costing, that there's enough margin for you to make a sensible profit and share with whoever's going to invest with you. And it's long term. You've covered the risks. You've also covered the novelty and ownership. But that's the number 2 reasons. The number 1 reason is leverage. I explain what leverages are in another video, but essentially what it means is an easy leverage to understand. And we have 14 different leverages we use, but one easy one is reciprocal trade. And that basically says, if I've got your customers and you've got my customers, we're going to trade well together. You could blast out an email to however many thousand people you have who buys your product and understand that my product will complement that. And immediately what's going to happen? You're going to make a lot of sales and your risk drops. So that gives you an idea of what investors are really looking for. If you pick the right investor, a cornerstone investor is someone from the industry or the market who partners up with you. They're not just putting money in. They're not one of 50 people. They're usually the single cornerstone investor who manages your product from early stage, manages the funding of the product from early stage through to you get to pre-scale or exit or ready to scale the project up. Okay, now if you like that, if it's good and helpful for you, you can go click below and join my group and receive in our Facebook group. You can receive one of these every day. So be part of our crew, get to learn things on a daily basis, and hopefully we'll see you when you want to join us for a call.